What's up, everyone? Girlfriend got a new helmet in fuchsia. You like your helmet so far?
Very cute.
She doesn't care about the safety. She cares that it's cute. You want to get some boba tea?
Sit there.
Yeah. Hydrate ourselves. I don't know if that really is hydrating, but get some fluids in us.
I'll show you my helmet.
Yeah. Oh! You ready for this?
Where are we gonna go?
We're gonna go to, you tell me, where are we gonna go?
You wanna go to Teacup and then what?
We're gonna go around Lake
And
Minnetonka.
then you wanna eat there?
Yeah, we can. We're gonna get baptized in Lake Minnetonka. How's that sound? Teacup. Got our boba tea. Oh yeah. Cup holder. Oh yeah. My cup holder's holding my drink really well. Alright, we had to make a brief stop to figure out where we're going, because I have no idea. And she's just such a visual person. I couldn't leave the house until my pants were not wrinkly anymore. Even though I was just going to be on my bike. It is what it is. Alright. Let's go. Let's get this show on the road. Oh. She just headbutted me. Whoopsies. This kickstand's up. Yes, good. It's always good to make sure your passenger is ready before you go, I guess. So we're in the Wayzata area, I think. Minnetonka, Wayzata, somewhere. I don't know. Excuse me before I kick you. Alright, now we're gonna head to Lord Fletcher's. Whoever this Lord Fletcher guy is. We're gonna go eat there. We're hungry. We hangry. Are you hangry right now? You're hangry, huh? Hangry. Oops, what am I doing? We are here. She thinks she's so cute. Our destination. Look at all the bikes. Let's see if you can spot my bike.
They're all like
Cruisers. It's all cruisers. That's why. Bam! Oh, right there with the pink helmet. Damn, he fit in there. He got in there.
yeah, excellent.
Celebrate good times. Come on. I'm so full. Make me a burger and some fries. Now it's time to ride.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'll be ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.